7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion is down bad in its first crypto bear market. Smooth Love Potion currently has a market cap of $123 million. Rank 200 on coin market cap, Smooth Love Potion is currently down on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, also on a yearly time frame. Smooth Love Potion is down 83.8% on a yearly time frame. Smooth Love Potion is down bad in its first crypto bear market. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at key accumulation levels for Smooth Love Potion deep down in the bear market. Smooth Love Potion is down around 99.47% in its first crypto bear market. How low can we go? Have we gotten to the bottom of the bear market? We'll also be looking at Smooth Love Potion performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Smooth Love Potion's market cap, currently at $123 million. Are we going to dump back to the $16 million level at any point in time in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Altcoins started 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen altcoins pumping to the upside in 2023 as the bear market deepens. Deep in the bear market, we're going to get some rallies to the upside, but it looks as if we've gotten to that end of that bear market rally. And right now, Smooth Love Potion is down bad in its first full crypto bear market. Guys, it's normal for us to see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town aggressively in their first full crypto bear market. We've seen a lot of altcoins go down 99.9%, just like how Smooth Love Potion has done in its first crypto bear market, going from as high as $0.39, dumping to as low as $0.00199. Smooth Love Potion is down bad in its first crypto bear market, but guys, remember, when altcoins are down bad, when they are down in Goblin Town, that's when smart investors are investing, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. Smooth Love Potion with a market cap of $123 million was trading as high as $0.025 just a year ago. But losing around 93% of its value deep in the crypto bear market, it doesn't mean Smooth Love Potion can recover to go to set new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. Now, if you're accumulating in this bear market, guys, remember, you don't want to make the mistakes that other people have made in the past, and that's going all in too quickly. All coins are very, very volatile. There's no guarantees that we can see a 60 or 70% dump from where we are right now. All coins can dump to Goblin Town aggressively. And right now, if Smooth Love Potion is coming back to the lows where we set in January 2023, the 1st of January, Smooth Love Potion will have to dump around a 30 to 50% dump to the downside, which is very, very possible, which can happen very, very quickly in the altcoin market. So we may not be in the end of the bear market, but if you're accumulating the bear market, guys, dollar cost averaging will be the good method, because if you're dollar cost averaging, even if you see Smooth Love Potion dumping to lower prices, you will still have some capital on the side to get those altcoins for cheap. And deep in the bear market is where you get good value for your money. Deep in the bear market is where you get your first 10x, 20x, even maybe your first 100x pump to the upside. Guys, we're deep in the crypto bear market. Smooth Love Potion in the last 1 year has gone from as high as $0.029 to as low as $0.0019. The market cap of $123 million, we have over 42 Smooth Love Potion tokens in circulation. Currently ranked 200 on CoinMarketCap with over 285,000 people having Smooth Love Potion on their watch list. Smooth Love Potion tokens are earned by playing the Axie Infinity game. Digital assets serve as a replacement for experience points. If you want to get some Smooth Love Potion tokens in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bitstamp, on Uniswap, on PancakeSwap, on SushiSwap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some smooth love portion right there. Smooth love portion is down bad against Bitcoin in the bear market. Smooth love portion has dumped to Goblin Town, and if you go on a lighter time frame, it looks as if it has gone towards zero against Bitcoin. But guys, this is normal in the altcoin bear market for altcoins. Altcoins like smooth love portion that are very, very volatile. Deep in the bear market, nobody wants them. Deep in the bear market, when they're down bad, nobody wants to buy more. But guess what, guys? When we go to a bull market, you see a lot of people flipping back their Ethereums and Bitcoins into smooth love portion because we'll see it pumping to higher prices. I've seen this happen over and over again, but remember, investing in cryptocurrency is very, very risky. You can lose a lot of your money. You can potentially even lose all your money. Investing is a long-term game. We've seen smooth love portion's market cap go from as low as just $482,000 in January of 2021, rallying up to an all-time high of $307 million. Now, very, very interesting thing has happened for smooth love portion right here. In the first phase of its bear market, we saw the market cap go down by 94%. And what happened after that was that we saw the market cap shoot back up, attempting to break to new all-time highs. Now, that didn't happen for price. We didn't see that happen for price for SLP. But guys, what happened is that we saw more SLP tokens coming to circulation, and the market cap went up by more than 1,300%. Right now, SLP's market cap is around the $123 million region, and we're deep in the crypto bear market. For SLP's market cap to start setting new all-time highs, we'll just see SLP market cap go up by 156%. And we know that if the price goes up by 156%, that doesn't mean we're setting new all-time highs on the price from where SLP is currently trading right now. If the price goes up by 156%, SLP will just be trading around the $0.0072 region. So we're deep in the bear market. I still believe by the end of the next bull run, we might see SLP's market cap hitting maybe $1 billion. But guys, we might still see SLP dump back to Goblin Town aggressively. There's that possibility, because if the market cap is going to come back to the $16 million region, that will see SLP going down from where we're currently trading by another 86%. And if SLP is going to be dumping 86% from where we're currently trading right now, around the $0.0029 region, SLP will have to go from that region. Going down 86% will carry it to as low as the $0.00044 region. And it's very, very possible with all coins, those dump can still happen. So be very, very careful. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see SLP going by the end of the next crypto bull run? Are you still accumulating more SLP right now, deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next crypto bull run? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.